What is her name?
Renee.
Renee?
See us going on and off again. Baby, all I really wanted.
Check in, people. They're on the road again. Yeah, another road trip. So guys, remember, like, comment, share and subscribe to the Smith's World TV. We're up on the road, guys, and we're gonna show you what we are going to see. Yeah, put it away there. So rich, flat bridge. So we're gonna make you see that too. For those who don't know the flat bridge. Comment in the comment section if so mermaid there at the flat bridge. Comment in the comment section if you believe that is true.
Looks like a koi.
Okay. Wow.
Guys, we are at Rio Village. We're just taking a walk.
Lovely.
There's a carrot. See, there's a pretty carrot.
Yeah.
I want to call it carrot.
Grass here pretty. And a real girl.
Yes.
Across. Look at this pretty. Is it? No man, so I guess they hold the rope. When you want to go across the river. I go watch the channel and the giant people I just don't know about it.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Nice attraction.
We need more of this one. And the our side. You understand? No, we need more attraction like these on this on our side. So we have to go where
Poetry and them place there.
Yeah. So yeah. Paintball shooting. Alright, good. Good.
And this is it's a tree house in the building up there.
For a zip line. For the zip line.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one is the live bar.
Oh,
Oh, if this okay. Probably.
nice.
Nice one, nice settings. Very nice. People, guys, here can come and check out Rio Village. Very, very nice attraction. You have the food section, you know, it's all Smith World TV, it's all about the food. So next time we come, we expected to come and see the paintball shooting and the zip line and ATVs, and it's very, very attractive around here. And they are open up for bookings like wedding, possible parties. Yeah.
Wedding parties and all
Right, good. Anniversary.
Yeah.
Alright. Looking good, man. Jamaica is beautiful, isn't it? And remember, we promise you guys that we're gonna showcase Jamaica, right? Drone shot, food, culture, everything. So stick and stay for that. Alright?
Yeah. No, how you green cooking lizard? Green lizard. Woo! Let me tell you for them over here, didn't you? Wow, roast breadfruit pan tree.
Roast breadfruit.
Yeah, no, sorry. No. Yeah, they have them for roast. Yeah, breadfruit and can roast. I roast breadfruit, don't it? Right.
No,
Yes.
no.
You're not
Breadfruit.
wrong.
No, don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't touch it, Bella. Nice place, guys. Nice. When you're up and running, we surely have to come here, come visit. So look out to that, people. Alright, guys. So we are going to Linstead now. So come along with us. Alright, people. So stick and stay with the Smith World TV. What is your name?
What's your name?
What is your name?
Renee.
Renee?
What's your name?
What is your name?
Renee.
Renee? Wow, that's a lovely name. My name is Kim. My name is Kim. You hear?
Hi.
Hi. Can you say Kim? Can you?
Say hi again.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Renee.
Argentina. It's Argentina.
Can you say Argentina?
Can you say Argentina?
Argentina. Hi.
Looks like
You don't want to talk?
he's kind of shy.
Guys, first maybe see something like this. Nice.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Wow.
Hi.
Let's go.
Bye.
Hi. Bye. Bye, Birdie.
Why we get that voice there from? So like somebody.
Agreed.
Yeah, so like somebody.
The voices sound too much like a human.
Alright,
I thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Hi, Shania Renee.
Me not think she name Renee.
Alright, Renee should such a name.
Yes.
So, Renee should name, no?
Really?
Yeah. Alright.
Go. Let's go. Contact information if you are ever interested. Rio Village.
Alright peeps, so we are at Linstead, back of Juici beef. We're gonna have some lunch now, you know. Yeah man, so stay tuned for that. We're hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna fill up the belly.
Yeah man, I will long to taste some patty, you know.
Yeah,
you know,
I'm telling you, patty for real.
Yeah man, Juici beef, I go on with them thing from long time. So from school days we love Juici beef patty, so we're gonna see what we can find, you know. Alright. Blessings.
And you're full up, guys. Full to the brim.
Mommy Kim. Isabel. Gabby and Brittany. Alright, so may I go have cheese patty and cocoa bread, my favorite, and a small soup.
Okay.
You want one to Kim?
Maybe not.
Yeah, Juici beef, patty, soup and everything. Matter of fact, Juici beef, do everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah man, so yeah, the girls are gonna have lunch now. Yeah man, beautiful Jamaican people in this place here. Support the business, you know. Isabel, what going? Nobody who you want to big up? Who you want to big up? You want to big up Nana? Island Adventure. So you don't want to big up Nana? Big up Nana, man. Say hi to Nana. Nana, go watch it with our uncle Bobo. Alright. Time up, man. The AC you want to turn up. Sprite.
Yeah.
Sprite.
Isabel, sit down.
Sit, please. Alright, guys. So we're gonna eat now. Take up a tablet, please. Put here. I'm not to know which one. Alright. Give me
How should I soup at you?
what's on
This one I'm feeling. You're one having food. Less food. Alright.
Put down the tablet, please.
Alright, give God thanks for this meal. Catch up with stomach people for the journey. Yeah, it's something different. You know, we love cook for ourselves, you know. But today we just sorry. We are on a tour. Chill out with the family, you know.
Nice.
So we have a chicken foot soup here. You should take a red peas, Kim.
Taste this.
Big thanks.
We'll drink this soup first. Then we're going to cook.
Soup,
Alright,
nice.
guys, so we're going to taste the soup now. Big piece of chicken here.
We'll get more meat, damn it.
Because we take less.
Oh, so no deal. I didn't have cheese patty. Cheese patty? Yeah, we have a cheese patty. Cheese patty nice, you know.
Yeah.
But we have a lot of people that love beef patty same way.
The thing is, all of them, you can add cheese to it.
Mm-hmm.
It would be cheaper to get the beef.
I think it's just $50.
What?
$50. You can have chicken cheese, anything with cheese.
I wonder what chicken cheese is.
I think that's Korean cheese.
Chicken cheese.
Yeah.
Chicken cheese.
Because chicken is curry.
Yeah, the curry.
And then you add the cheese.
I mean, are you
Right.
guys said that here?
I've heard people say it tastes nice.
But you know, cheese always give a different, you know, that extra taste, you know.
Especially when it's hot
Yeah.
and melts.
One thing they do is have sweet butter.
Is that the mango peach or
Yeah, mango peach.
something?
But put
Or
that
orange peach?
I don't like it at all. Mango
man.
peach. You know like mango peach?
sweet butter.
And you
And the
know,
water in it.
you know. And you always a take it. And you still buy it.
Sweet. You want this together?
You're not eating it, Abel?
So I take it Sprite.
It's sweet butter. But you gotta be a teaspoon just sugar still a drink it.
That's why I take it Sprite.
That's sugar.
You know, say sweet.
Sugar.
And the melon turn on, but you don't like the melon either.
Sweet. That's why you hear me say sweet and don't say sweet.
Plain crack water for me.
I'm love sweet. I kind of love sweetness in that guys.
Thumbs up to all the people who love Sprite.
Yeah?
Something about Sprite, don't it?
Well, cool Sprite.
Yeah, well cold Sprite. Yeah, man, dangerous.
So guys, as we said before, we're in Linstead and this is the Juici Patties. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, Bangwa.
And it's not as hot.
No. And we're actually on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the outside.
This is how you do it, guys, here in Jamaica. With this. And you call this again cocoa bread. So you open the cocoa bread, open it out, and you put it in a patty like this. And then you do something like this. Yeah.
But what happened, you know, the patties nowadays, they're full of crust. A lot of
dry.
people like the crust, you know, but I not too like the crust. If you is an old school juicy beef patty lover, you know what I'm talking about. Because back then, when we were at school, the patty never so crusty. You understand? Yeah, and nice, man. We have a friend named Glenn. And Glenn alone could have eat hot patty. When Glenn gone 2 patty, we know the halfway in an hour. Yeah, man, he put it round in him jar pan and he use the AC and cool. The time when we go to high school, you know, we have to buy patty in the morning, you know, people. Yeah, man. Sometimes we don't have lunch money. That's it for the day. But you know what? We love with juicy beef patty.
You can imagine how much patty was selling for back then. Cheap.
When I was going to school, I think it was less than $100.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's $100?
I think so. And then primary school, yeah, definitely. And then I think it went to 120. And that was like in 2012
Right.
and then 10 then. No, in 2026 you have patty for $320.
Patty so reach 500. Even when Jay came down the other day from overseas and say I'm going to buy a patty. Say him have to say to the woman, how much you say again? Yeah, man, because he was saying like, you know, when he was here, 100 something dollars, 200 something like 100.
Less than
Less than 100, yeah.
200.
Less than 200.
Yeah. Alright, you want to eat no garbage?
Beef expensive, you know, it's
How are you enjoying it? Good? Okay. Full belly? Alright guys, stick and stay.
Yeah.
We'll tune in again.
Alright, people. Check in.
Check in, people. Alright, so we're gonna close today's vlog. It has been good, we enjoy ourselves. Trust me, it's a beautiful scenery. On this side, Linstead Bagwalk, we enjoy the party. Matter of fact, we enjoy everything. We enjoy our lunch.
Yeah, guys.
Right.
So it's the end of this vlog, as Ricky said again, guys. It's the end. We're going back home now. And if we see anything from the road same way, guys, we're going to capture it.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So, like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, man. And for certain, differently from, you know, our cooking content, we are go around beautiful Jamaica and make you see some aerial views, some different locations. So stay tuned for that, people, and support the thing, man. Share up the videos there, man, you know, do the right thing. So blessings, that is the greatest.
Check
Remember
in
that.
on the scenery, guys. Beautiful.